This one simple sentence will make you rich. Are you ready? Money in crypto flows down. When you understand that sentence and how to take advantage of that knowledge, you're gonna make a lot of money. Let me explain real quick. But first, I am not a financial advisor. Remember to always do your research before investing in crypto. This is the crypto money flow cycle. It shows how the money flows in the crypto market. Understanding how the money flows in the crypto market at any given time is an extremely useful skill, as it would help you to know what cryptocurrency to buy, when to buy it, and when to reduce your crypto altogether. The reason for this money flow is because of the psychology of the investors that are buying these cryptocurrencies. Because of this herd mentality, investors tend to behave in a certain way at the same time. The cycle begins with fiat money like US dollars, euros, or the British pound. As you know, cash is needed to make investments in cryptocurrencies. The most typical cryptocurrencies investors start with is Bitcoin. And as more investors put their money in Bitcoin, the price rises. People start to see the price go up, FOMO kicks in, more people buy it, and the price rises even more. As the uptrend of Bitcoin starts to stabilize, investors start to seek out more high-risk investments in order to build their wealth even more. So they're diversifying their portfolio by buying large-cap crypto. By large-cap crypto, we mean cryptocurrencies with a larger market cap, but smaller market cap than Bitcoin, as Bitcoin is king. The large cap crypto mainly is Ethereum, which still holds its second place right under Bitcoin. From there on, investors turn to mid-cap and small-cap altcoins, depending on the risk they are willing to take. And remember, money in crypto flows down. Because of their small market cap compared to Bitcoin and Ethereum, these small-capped cryptocurrencies has the potential to 2x, 5x, 10x, even 100x or more. But they are very risky and you can end up losing all your money. It's what we call a high risk and high reward investment. And then, when the low cap crypto have rallied exponentially, it signals the end of this cycle. And the investors cycle their money back into Bitcoin. Then they either start the cycle again, or the money flows back into fiat and they take profit. This is a quick explanation of how the crypto money flow cycle works. And if you understand and follow the psychology behind it, you can make a lot of money. If you like this video, it would mean a lot to me if you hit that like button and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.